Hello, everyone. Good morning. So today a topic is we are going to be discuss about one of the uh, very important SQL interview question that's efficiently convert the rows to columns in SQL Server. How efficiently you can convert the rows to columns in a SQL Server. So it would be we can go for use the pivot function to be convert the rows to columns. So how we can go for implement that? Suppose I have a table on list of two columns. Select uh, uh, let me take it as category and region and sum of sales from stores table. Right, stores is the table I have it. So when we go for aggregate the sum of sales, what we need to do? We need to add the group by function, group by category, comma, region. So you should not forget the group by, otherwise it will throw an error. Let's go for execute without group by, just execute it. You can get the store category is invalid in the selected list because it's not containing either aggregate function or call. So let me run this query with the group by, you can execute it so we can get the result. So now you can see category, region, and I can give the name for sum of sales as total sales. Right, let me execute it. Yes. Now, what is my requirement here is I want to convert the region. I want to keep these regions, each region as one column. East region, West region, Central region, and South region. So how we can make it as each region as one column here. So it's very important. So let me go for write the query, select category, comma, region, comma, sales. We have the three fields. From which table we are taking stores. So I can go for give the name as, and then so for what we have there, just go for give it. These are the source fields, right? So I can make it as source. Right, next. So I can go for use the pivot function to be convert the rows into columns. So pivot. So what I want to do, I want to be aggregate this total sales value by each region and category. So I can make it as here sum of sales. Okay, my column name is sales, right? Sum of sales. Right. So sum of sales for the sum of sales we are calculating for region level, each and every region. So what are the different regions we have it? I want to be select those regions. That's why I can use the in operator here. So I can take it as east, comma. I will take it as west, comma. And what else we have it? And we have it central, comma, and south. All right. And we have these are all the four regions we have. So let me close this bracket. And I need to close one more bracket as I can say that PVT. It's a pivot table. All right. So select the category region sales from the stores as a source we are taking and pivoting the data sum of sales for each region, all the regions I want to be get into my uh, columns, right? So on top of this body, I can write it select category as a column I want as comma and regions, right? These four regions I can simply copy it, Control C and Control V. Okay, let's make it as from. I can get this all from this query. Now try to execute this query. So you can see that categories are office supplies, furniture, technologies, east, west, center, and south region. So this is the way we can go for convert the single column into multiple columns. Whereas I have the east, west, south, central regions are in a single column, I can convert them into a different columns. So this is the simplest way we can go for convert the rows into columns using the pivot function. So let's go for see one more example. A very simple example I can take it as select start from EMP. Generally, we very regularly use the EMP table, right? So let's go for take it as select start from EMP table. So what is my requirement here? I want to go for see that uh, jobs, salary, and department numbers. I want to display in a department numbers. I want to get display in a columns. 10 department, 20 department, and 30 departments. Three different columns I want to be get displayed. So how can we do that? How can we do that? Simple. Same format we do the select. I want to take the job comma, sal comma, EPT number from EMP. So what I mentioned here, you can close the brackets here, name it as source. Right? And use the pivot function and open braces. So I want to sum the salary by each department and job. So sum of sal for, so which field you want to make it for the columns, department numbers I want to bring it to columns, right? Each department has, so make it as DPT number. If suppose you want to keep the job as a columns, you can select the for job. Okay, in operator we can use it because we have different multiple department numbers, right? A number of department numbers. So you need to define that department number 10 comma 20 comma 30, right? Close brackets as PVT, right? So and you can close the bracket. And I can go for write the select statement here, select job comma. And what are the departments we are mentioning here? Just take those departments. Right. From pillar department. So let me try to execute this query. I can go for execute this query. It can get it. So see, analyst, we have the 6,000 from department 20 and plus we have the 10 department 20 and 30. Managers now we have the 10, 20, 30. So whereas that particular percentage belongs to only 10 department, where we have the nulls for the other departments. So this is the way we can go for calculate, we can convert the rows into columns. In the next session, we can go for see that we can convert the multiple columns into single column. Okay, thanks for watching my video. If you like this video and if it is useful, please subscribe my channel. If it is not yet subscribe and share with the friends, and I can go for come up with new videos and new scenarios with a SQL, Power BI and Tableau. Thank you. See you later. Bye bye.